Oh, it's just one per person.
One per person. All right. I shall take the red one. I'd like a balloon, please.
Hey, weren't you here before?
Before, what were you talking about?
Didn't you get a balloon earlier?
No, sir. Was the little boy from before wearing a cap like mine?
Oh, he changed his outfit to get past the one per person rule. That's fine. What color do you want?
I got red for my younger sister, so next is a blue one for my younger brother.
For his younger siblings, huh? He's a good kid. What color do you want?
Pink for my mom. I'd like one balloon, please.
What color do you want? Just got one for his mom, so I guess next is...
Light blue for my father.
Next one's gotta be for himself, right? Funny kid. I wonder where his folks are. Hey, there he is. Himself again. He kept all those balloons for himself. Did I get... late?